just after 12 months of this horrific situation, when the situation got a little bit subdued, the great Gandhi came to Calcutta. And to our surprise, in our days, when I see that these are some kind of massacre done by a certain community, certain religious community, surprisingly, he only asked Hindus to put down their arms. One of the journalists at that point in time, Shoilen Chatterjee, said that people with shabby dresses, with country-made pistols and daggers came across so many places, and they have put their arms and ammunitions on the feet of Malanga. This was really a very horrific and miraculous situation, and that might be one of the reasons that even Lord Mountbatten told that this was the miracle of Gandhi. But was it a miracle? Because in this specific situation, not a single Muslim were told to put down their guns, and they kept their hatred towards the Hindus as it was initially. Was it a miracle, or was it a certain kind of barter which was completely unacceptable at that point in time?
He had procured the pistols in post-war Kolkata from the American soldiers posted in the city. Some of the weapons used by his men were procured during the Quit India movement. After a few days of writing, the Muslim Leaguers proposed peace. G.G. Ajmeri, leader of the students' wing of Muslim League, along with Mujibur Rahman, a member of the Muslim National Guard, requested Gopal to stop the bloodshed. Refusal to surrender to Gandhi. In 1947, Mohandas Gandhi came to Kolkata and asked the Hindus to not harbor any ill feeling towards the Muslims and appealed to them to surrender all their arms to him.
Hi guys, we have appeared here with the next episode of Dr. Shyama Mukherjee's life history. We're going to talk about the facts of Dr. Shyama. First of all, I would like to thank all the members of Dr. Shyama Enlightenment Federation. Apart from this, right, we are going to thank the people, right, who are contributing a lot towards these small videos. Thanks to the viewers and our fellow friends who are watching us and sharing it. So what neighborhood Muslim did in the direct action day? Muslim leaders asked common Muslim to wage Islamic terrorism. The newspaper wrote, Muslim must remember that it was in Ramzan that permission for jihad was granted by Allah. It was in Ramzan that the Battle of Badr, the first open conflict between Islam and heathens, was fought and won by 313 Muslims. And again it was in Ramzan that 10,000 Muslims under the Holy Prophet conquered Mecca and established the Kingdom of Heaven and the Commonwealth of Islam in Arabia. The Muslim League is fortunate that it is starting its action on this holy month and day. Following an idea of terrorist Muhammad and anti-Hindu teachings of Quran, on 16th August Friday, the Muslim League under Surwadi instructed all clerics to deliver sermons urging Muslim gathered for Jummah namaz to use all means for the creation of Pakistan, and all Hindus were openly passed by Muslim League leaders on 29th July 1946. Everyone knew about British covert from Gandhi and womanizer Nehru. Muslim terrorist Hasi Sahid Surawadi, the then the chief minister of Bengal, created a Gaman army of 10,000 Muslims and ordered, do not worry. No policeman would ever arrest you all have in one job in service of Allah. Find Hindus, grab them and kill them, involve fear in them. We have to make Bengal and Assam part of Islamic state. Let the reduced Hindu population from these places. Surawati gave a venomous speech calling for the creator of Pakistan and urging Muslims to wage rights for it.
Verses of Gopal Chandra Mukhopadhyay, or popularly known as Gopal Patha. We are very much thankful to Hindu Sangati that presents Bharat Sabha Hall on 16th of August 2018.
এই হরেন ঘোষ মহাশয় আমাদের এই লোকালিটিতে থাকতেন 39 মদন বড়ালের। হরেন ঘোষ মহাশয় সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান করতেন। উদয় শঙ্কর, অমলা শঙ্কর, যত বড় ডান্সার আর্টিস্ট তাদের লিয়েশন করে দিয়েছিলেন বেঙ্গলে। এই অবস্থায় তিনি কাজ করতেন। তার অফিস ছিল ওয়াসল মোল্লার দোতলা। সেখান থেকে এদের প্ল্যানটা ফাঁস হয়ে যায়। সালোয়ারদি তখনকার চিফ মিনিস্টার। সালোয়ারদি ওই বাড়িতে এক বাইজির কাছে যেত, আর হরেন ঘোষ ফ্ল্যাটে এই দেশ ভাগ হবার একটা প্ল্যান কি হবে সেইটা নিয়ে ওরা নেশার ঘোরে ফেলে চলে গেছে। সেই কাগজটা ওকে দেখালে, কি কোনো দরকারি কাগজ, ওর বাইজি ইংরেজি তো বোঝে না, বাইজি কোনো দরকারি কাগজ, এটা দেখুন। সেই প্ল্যানটা দেখে বললো এ বাজে কাগজ বলে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল পাশ থেকে ফেলে দিল। বাইজি চলে গেল, ওর ঘর থেকে চলে গেল। চলে যাবার পর খানিকটা বাদে ওই প্ল্যানটাকে তুলে নিয়ে সিধে বেরিয়ে এখানে আসে যে এই প্ল্যানটা হচ্ছে গঙ্গার ওপারে হিন্দুস্তান থাকবে, গঙ্গার এপার থেকে সবটা পাকিস্তান হবে, পশ্চিমবঙ্গ পুরো এলাকা মানে মুর্শিদাবাদ ও গঙ্গার ওপারে থাকবে হিন্দুস্তান, এপারে থাকবে পাকিস্তান। এই প্ল্যান ওতে লেখা ছিল। হরেন ঘোষের কাছ থেকে এই খবরটুকু পাই। উনি তো জওহরলালের কাছে, মানে দেশের লিডার তখন জওহরলালের কাছে ওটা পৌঁছে দেয়। পৌঁছে দেওয়ার পর চলে আসে। তখনও উনি অফিসে যেতেন। পাড়ার লোক বারণ করেছে যে আপনি অফিসে যাবেন না। লোকাল লোক আমরা সকলে বারণ করেছি যে আপনি অফিসে যাবেন না, অফিস শিফট করুন ওখান থেকে, আপনি অফিসে যাবেন না শুনে বলে আমার কেউ শত্রু আছে, আমার কেউ শত্রু নেই, আমি সাংস্কৃতিক নিয়ে থাকি, আমার কেউ শত্রু নেই। আফটার অল উনি মার্ডার হলো, এবং মার্ডার করে চাপারে করে টুকরো করে ব্যাগেতে লোড করে, তখন ইংলিশ এরিয়া ছিল, ফরেনার কিছু থাকতো ওদের ওই ইয়েতে, সব ব্যালকনি আছে, ব্যালকনি বলছি ওই বাগান সাজানো থাকে, ওই বাগানেতে একটা করে বাক্সে এখানে একটা, ওখানে একটা, ওখানে একটা, ওখানে একটা ছড়িয়ে দিই। তখন দেশকে বাঁচাতে হবে, পাকিস্তানে চলে যাবে, আরো নির্যাতন হবে, দেশকে বাঁচাতে হবে। এই চিন্তা করে আমি সব লোকাল ছেলেদের কল করে বললাম, দেখো মারছো বা মারবে, ওরাও যা করছে তোমরাও তাই করবে, তবে এখন দেখছি বর্বরতা দ্বারাই বর্বরতা দমন হবে। সুতরাং ওরা যদি কানে শোনো যে একটাকে মেরেছে, তোমরা 1 to 10 করবে, তোমরা 10টাকে মারবে। তবে এটা বন্ধ হবে। মারবে মানে আদমারা করবে না, একদম খতম করবে।
Gopal declared himself as an admirer and supporter of Subhash Chandra Bose. Coming from a family with a revolutionary background, he didn't believe in Gandhian non-violence. He believed that India could only become independent by ousting the British by force. Joya Chatterjee, professor of South Asian history of the University of Cambridge, explains that Gopal Mukherjee was great Hindu nationalist at the time, who could command a force of around 500 men. Patronized by Congress politicians, in an interview with partition researcher Andrew Whitehead, Mukherjee claims close links with the second chief minister of West Bengal, B.C. Rai, and large businessmen. Gopal Patha was the counter force to shoreabouts these close links to the Muslim-dominated gangs of North Kolkata during the Great Calcutta killings. Now coming to his latter life. During the killings of Gopal and Bharat Jatiya Bahini were hailed as saviors and heroes. In his latter life, Gopal became a social worker and ran a charity named National Relief Center for Destitutes. He also started a community Kali Puja in his locality.
So now here comes the critical moment. The sin were going across the streets of Calcutta. And I told him, that's what Anukul Chandra Mukhopadhyay was telling, that I told him there will be retaliation. And I went across the sawmill owners and the factory owners and I told them that I need some kind of support from your end. We tried to gather 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees. And then we started doing the deal. It's just like if you do a murder, you get 100 rupees. But if you do a half murder, you get 50 rupees. And that is how the whole thing started. That is how the retaliation started. That is how the work of Gopal Mukherjee started in and across Calcutta. And that is how Calcutta was saved in that point in time by the savior of mankind at this point, Gopal Mukherjee.
First of all, thank you all for watching our video and supporting us with so much of love. As you all have seen that we are continuing on with the Great Calcutta killing episodes. And after completing this phase of Great Calcutta killings, we will move to some more riots period-wise as Noakhali riots and likewise. We will continue with our national icon Dr. SHYAMA Mukherjee, his role in all these riots and pre and post-independence of India, ultimately to his sacrifice and death. All this will remain as a research work for all of you, and in period of time, more and more people to come as well as generation will get to know it about our national icon Dr. SHYAMA Mukherjee. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.